My name is Raphael Hartzog, and I'm a doctor of chiropractic. Of course, I have a chiropractic degree, and in addition to that, I have a master's degree in exercise physiology. The simplicity of the device and how it's able to produce a traction effect in the lower back that's similar to the same therapeutic effect that you would get with devices that are a lot more complicated, a lot more expensive, and a lot more difficult for the patient to actually use. One of the things that first attracted me to the Lo-Bak TRAX device was its design. If you look at this, it's a set of handlebars, and that's as familiar as riding a bicycle. The other thing that attracted me to it is the ease with which a patient would be able to use this on themselves. You take these pads, you put them on your lower thighs, you lay on your back, and you push down. I mean, how much more simple can it be than that for someone to do? Normally you have a curve in your lower back, and if you can easily and effectively flatten that curve out, it's much easier to produce a traction effect in the lower back. And the Lo-Bak traction device, I think, is an effective means of doing that. That's a unique feature of this device, that literally in black and white, you can see its effect of actually opening up that space between the vertebra. And we know that the effect of that is that it helps to reduce the amount of pressure on the lower back and pressure-sensitive parts of the back that produce pain or discomfort. Shoveling lots of our wonderful snow this winter, and I did develop a little soreness or pain in my low back. After I finished, I came in and I got down on the floor. I used the device, and I would say within a few minutes after, it wasn't immediate, but within a few minutes afterwards, the pain subsided, and my back felt more loose and more flexible, and I think it helped. I really can't wait for this device to be marketed so that I can incorporate that into a treatment program for patients. For the average patient, this, again, going back to simplicity, this is simplicity itself, and it would represent an important part of their own self-treatment of their low back condition. I have no hesitation in endorsing this device as something that I would incorporate into my practice on a day-to-day basis.